Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to explain how the Java program is executed. That I am going to explain step by step. Okay. In the step number one, I have created a Java file with .java extension. The file name is I have written songs. Okay. And whatever the source code is there, that source code I have written in any Word document or Notepad, whatever you're convenient, you have to write. If you have a tool like Eclipse and any other third-party tools, you have to write, not a problem. And I have written a Java program, simple Java program in Word document. So this is the uh, my Java source code, and my class name is songs, and I have took one string variable here, and that variable name is title, and I have written two methods. One is the setter method, and the second one is the getter method, and the third one is the I took the one main method, and in that main method I have created a object for this class. Okay, and I have called the setter methods and greater that getter method, and finally I print the in console. Okay, so this is the simple Java program. So if you see in the destination folder, mm, wherever I have developed the source code of the Java, so just now it is a single file. So once it is compiled, the Java program, then it will automatically generated one file with extension that dot class file. So this dot class file is a byte code is generated in step 2. Okay, using this byte code, using this byte code, we can execute, JVM will execute the program that I am going to show you. Okay, and right now I'm in my destination folder. Okay, if you want to execute manually, this is the command javac filename dot java. Okay, so the program is executed without any syntax errors, and if you go there, previously only one file is there, that songs dot java. Now it is one more file is generated, that is songs is the that file type is the class file. This is the Java file. First one is the Java file, second one is the class file. This class file is generated after compilation. If you open this class file, okay, if you open this class file, um, here you can see it is some human is not able to read this code. Okay, this is read by the JVM only. Human is not able to see this. This code is generally we will call as a byte code. Okay, so this byte code only read by JVM, not human. So once compilation is done, this bytecode is generated by compiler. So once the compilation is done, and the JVM will create one dot class file. That dot class file has a bytecode is generated. This is actually program. Now I'm going to run this Java program. Okay. So run the Java program, the command is java file name. So my file name is songs and java is the command, and here I have got the output is a hi baby. So whatever the code is there, in the code I have given like that, this title. Here I have set a data is hi baby. That hi baby is shown in our command prompt. So this is actually uh, in the command prompt it is displayed, and behind that code, actually what the code is executed step by step, I'm going to show you here. In the step 1, programmer is create a one source program with a .java extension. Okay, once program is created, in step 2, okay, in step 2 he will compile the program with compiler. So once you have installed the Java software, so Java is installed in our machine. So compiler is there in that software. That compiler is converted this source program into dot class file. That dot class file has a byte code. So this byte code is able to understand by JVM. Whatever the code you have seen now, in the code is only read by human, not machine. So it's not suitable to the machine. That's why JVM will convert this human readable language into machine readable language. That machine readable language generally we will call as a byte code. Who is compiled? Compiler will convert this human readable language into machine readable language. Okay, compiler is task is completed. Now JVM will ready to execute this compiled code. So whatever the byte code is there, this byte code is executed by JVM. So what are the advantage of this byte code? Suppose in my machine Windows is there, in your machine Linux or Mac is there. Whatever the operating system is there, it's not a matter. The main advantage of the Java is generate a byte code. This byte code is generated. Once the byte code is generated, this code is executed any platform. Any platform means any operating system. Okay, so just you have to provide the basic requirement of the JVM software in your operating system. Automatically, once you have give the proper commands to execute Java program, it will execute. It is not at all restrictive. For example, in my machine, Windows is there. In your machine, Linux or Mac is there. So that code is executed. What is that code? Dot class file code. Okay. Once it is given, then the code is executed successfully. So this is actually internally the process is happened. Okay. So Java is basically high level program, but the computer understand only the machine code. High level program means it is a human readable language is there. English, whatever the statements is there, you can see public, static, void, main. These are all statements. System.out.println. These are all statement is the English language is written. In English language, it is written. It can understandable by human, not machine. That's why it is called as a Java is the high level programming language. But the problem is machine is not able to understand this high level language program. That's why at the time of the Java software developer, it's a compiler is introduced. This compiler is used to convert that human readable language into machine readable language. This machine readable language generally we will call as a bytecode. This bytecode is maintained by dot class file. Compiler convert the source code. Okay, that Java program into bytecode, and this compiled bytecode is a platform independent code. What is the meaning platform independent? That is the biggest achievement in Java. That's why it is most worldwide used program in Java. Why? It's a platform independent. Java is a platform independent code. You have to create a one source file and compile, and after compilation, JVM will create one dot class file. This dot class file will run any platform. It is not a matter the operating system is either it is a Windows operating system, Mac operating system, and a Linux operating system. The JVM will not restrict you. It is smoothly executed and you will get the final output until unless your source code or your dot class file have a syntax errors like that, then only it will restrict you, and otherwise it will not restrict and it will give you according to the your programming implementation. And in after the logic is developed, program is developed. So you have, for example, you have two OS is there. One OS is Windows and the second OS is Linux on your computer. So first, in the step one, you have create a source code in the Windows. The same code is the .class file is executed in Linux operating system. So in future, your operating system may be updated with new features. Then that time also you will not get any problems. The program is executed and according to the your implementation. So that's why Java is a most popular nowadays in all over the world, and Java is very flexible to using this dot class files. And one more thing is Java is very secured language due to this code. And I think you got my point. And if you don't still get a lot of doubts is there, please comment me and give your valuable feedback to me. Please subscribe, like, share, comment to my video and share to your friends. It will get a lot of